Good morning everybody. I'm just back today to share my latest journal with you. It's a design team project for using nearly all of Artie Maze's autumn kits. I think there's autumn medley I've used in it. There's fruits of autumn maybe, but most of the papers in there are from Andrea's autumn kits. So I'm sorry if I've butchered all the names of them. There's just quite a few I can't really remember. A lot of the images are from Mrs. Cogsaw. They're from the Autumn Days collection, which are all a little collection of really beautiful, well, basically autumn days. So I've named this journal Autumn Days because it just reminds me of the nice days of autumn. Excuse me. And we've got one today now. The rain's cleared up, the sun is out, so I also apologise for any shadows in advance. That's probably because I film quite near a window and it's not really a good place for filming, but it is what it is. In the background, I just want to quickly show you, I've just been making well, it always started off, my niece seen these on just move that out of the way, on Pinterest, and of course she wanted these velvet mushrooms, so yeah, I said I'd have a go. They were quite fun to make and quite a little bit different. I've done like small, medium, large, and I did do a really large cushion for my niece, but obviously I've given it her for Halloween, so that's what I've been doing, and I've ended up making about 30 of these for different people because all my nieces wanted one then, so you can't sort of make one without the other, can you? Before I knew it, I've spent most of September, October making pumpkins, but hey, but it has put me behind on my journals, so I'm hopefully now I'm back to get stuck into journals, even though there's not much time of the year left. I had wanted to make a few Christmas journals, but that's really not looking much of an option now. I may get one done, but I've got Christmas presents to start making and stuff to do, and I know it's only, well, 1st of November today. It seems ages off, but it does soon come round. So right, I'll just move these pumpkins out of my way and get through the journal with you. Like I said, it is inspired by autumn days, the beautiful reds, golds, colours that you see at this time of year. And this velvet also inspired me. I just love the colour of it, and this sari ribbon that somebody gifted me really just, I don't know, it just really inspired me to use these colours in it. The journal is, it's got a hinged spine, which does mean you can take your journal out and replace it with different papers when it's been used. It's just got some lace and some sari ribbon down the side. And the front, I've just done a collage up of various papers from Artie Maze's different collections. These are some little small sticker things that well, I printed them onto sticker paper and I'm using them as stickers. I've got some little beaded trim here, and this beautiful lady on the front. I just love her dress, and I love she's walking in the park or the forest somewhere, and it's all red, and she's got a book under her arm, which she's obviously going to sit down and have a read. But that picture I just love so much. The journal is excuse me, I've just been away last week and I think I've come back with a cold. I had a week away on holiday and it was wonderful. It was my first holiday since COVID 3 years ago, so I was well ready for it. So I've come back, I think, a little bit throaty from it, so I apologise in advance for that. The journal measures 8 by 5 and it has 56 pages front to back. A main frame would be a good start. You can tell how long it is since I've done a journal. Here I've just done a little pocket and I've used this beautiful gold, orange and gold trim. I've just put some journaling cards in and another image which I really love of this lady pegging out washing, and look at all the oranges and a little girl sat watching her. And I've just done a large tag here, which plenty of journaling space on the back. Here I've just used an Edith Holden October page and I've just made a little velvet fabric rustle and a bit of trim. another of these lovely images from Mrs. Coggs. That's just a journaling card. I won't take it out, it takes ages to get everything back. Just a little flip page here, which, oh no, I thought I made that into a pocket, but I haven't. The pocket is here, it's got a couple of tags in. Just love this page. This is an Artie Mays and just love it so much. And it does leave you plenty of spaces for writing. As always, my journal is predominantly a writing journal, so there is plenty of spaces for writing, journaling, whatever one does with one. And I had to include that image in again because she's just beautiful. I've backed it using the Artie Mays Eco papers, which I just thought they looked very autumnal, just perfect for this time of year. Here we've just done another little fabric swatch, more writing space. May look a little bit bulky this, but as with all my journals, the stuff can be removed or replaced. Here I've just done a little journaling card, little satin silk ruffle. There is a side pocket there which I forgot I haven't put anything in, but you can easily do that yourself or just keep little secret notes in. Another little tag with a little pocket tuck spot. And this was actually off a cushion I bought ages ago, but I just love the colours and it reminded me at the time of autumn, so I knew it would come in handy. Just made that into a little belly band with a couple more journaling cards in. Some more Edith Holden, plenty of writing space, with a sari silk ruffle down the side. And this has to be one of my favourite papers ever. It just screams autumn, it's just so beautiful. Just love it. And I'm not sure which one of Andrea's kits it is, but if you go on to her Etsy shop, I'm sure you'll find it, but I will put a link to her shop below, if you want to go and have a look. Here is just it's just the centre page, which I've just done a collage up of various little bits of cut-offs and scraps I've had lying about, and then it flips over and there's another little belly band with a large journaling card and a little journaling card. This says hello autumn. This is not from one of the kits. This was a piece I've had left over, and I do think it might be, I think the papers are called Simply Autumn, and I'm not sure, is it Calico Collage? That's something else. If anybody's interested, just message me and I will let you know. Little tag here, it's just a little pocket at the top. And here I've just done, I've had this little piece knocking about for ages, but it was, the beadwork was so pretty on it, I just thought I'd have to incorporate it because I thought the colours lent itself to autumn quite well. I've just put a little journaling card there. Here I've, I won't pull this all the way, I've just made a little envelope, which I've collaged up with, I love this image here, I just love that lady's dress and her shoes, and she looks like she's having a glass of wine in a tavern somewhere. So I've just got various bits of laces, bits of trim, and it does flip open, and inside there's several journaling cards. But it's handy, I keep receipts and things like that in mine. I just always find it's handy for keeping receipts and stuff in. More writing space. Another little tag. Edith Holden, and I love Edith Holden October autumn pages. I was very reluctant to part with them, sometimes needs must. Yeah, Edith Holden's autumn stuff is just so beautiful. Here I've made a little tuck spot at the top with a little velvet ruffle, some more trim, just puts in a tag with a journaling card, And here I've just made a little journaling card with a little bit of ruffle, a little bit of embossed paper I've had knocking around, and another tag. And here I've used that lady again because I just thought she was so beautiful. She deserves a page all by herself, and she's just been trimmed up with some velvet ruffle and a little bit of trim, fabric trim. I just like to use gold in this because I think gold just blends so well with autumn. And another one, I love these writing pages from Artie Mays, and once again I'm sorry I can't remember the name of the kit. I'm sorry Andrea, I'm useless, but just great. But they still give you that I think that autumn look to your feel, but I'm one of these, I like lines to write on, otherwise my writing's everywhere, so I like a lined paper for writing. Another little page for writing with sari silk trim, and that's another of them beautiful pages, but there's still plenty of room to write on those. So beautiful. The other side of Edith Holden, just put velvet ruffle on, and the back page now I've just done a little time card, just been collaged up with a little bit of trim, butterfly. These was in, I think it was called Autumn Medley, I think, and there were just loads of little bits to cut out from Andrea's kit, which I did love that idea, having loads of bits for fussy cutting. Here I've just done another couple of journaling cards, and a pocket, velvet pocket, which I've just trimmed off with some gold trim. Like I said, it is an open spine, so you can cut them out, take them out when you're finished, or you can add more pages. And the back page is just been collaged up with little bits of various kits I've had left over. But I absolutely love Artie Mays' autumn kits. They're just so pretty and so versatile, and I've been using them now for 3 or 4 years, and every year I just look forward to using them. So right, that's a quick run through of my journal today and my little velvet pumpkins. I'm now actually wanting to make some velvet mushrooms. I'm going to hang on my Christmas tree this year. I want to make some little red velvet mushrooms, and I might even put some little red pumpkins to hang from a tree, because I'm actually bored with my Christmas tree decorations. But to replace everything in one go, I think colours takes so much money, so I just thought I'll start making a few little bits and making a lot of my own stuff, and I can sort of replace them gradually. Right, I keep talking about that Christmas word. I'll end it there now. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you, bye.